Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's Grocery Stores, and today I'm going to show you how to save time by making two delicious meals. The first one is an amazing strawberry and vegetable spring salad, and then we're going to take some of those strawberries and make an incredible dessert. I've just showed you how to save time by making two delicious recipes, a spring strawberry salad and an amazing strawberry dessert. For more great recipes and ideas, be sure to visit Heinens.com.